Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security section. Then here we have to go to the biometrics and password, and let's tap on the fingerprint. Before we will be able to set the fingerprint, we have to set our regular screen lock. If you've got one, no worries, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. So let me choose the pattern, for example. Maybe not this one, not this one. Okay, that one. Tap on next. Confirm. Here you've got the notification content you want to show on the lock screen, so just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And there we've got information about the fingerprint, so just read everything and tap on I agree. And now we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device on the power button. So let me do it, let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on done. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can remove it right here or rename it if you want to, or add another. Alright, so let me lock the device and check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, and after a second attempt, we've got our device unlocked. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.